All right, so if you're watching this, you either didn't make it to class or you just need a review. So real quick, this is something new for you guys. I didn't want to use this, but I think this might help you a little bit to remember how to set up stoichiometry problems. This is kind of similar to what we did before, but this is a different way. It's called the mole map. So we have our given substance and we have our unknown substance. All right, so what you have is you can have it in volume, and that's volume is in milliliters or liters. And this actually you can use in the next couple units too. Then you could also have moles as your given. You could also have mass, which is grams. And then you can have atoms or particles, or even molecules. And you have the exact same thing over here. You're trying to solve for either volume, moles, grams, or atoms. So we have the exact same thing on both sides. Now, here's the thing. If I'm here and I need to get to here, there's something that we'll learn in gas laws, which is a standard temperature and pressure. And we'll talk about that during gas laws. If you're trying to go from mass to moles, you have to use molar mass. Remember, that is what we find on the periodic table. Right there, it's the number with the decimal. That is your atomic mass. That is the amount of grams in 1 mole. If you're talking about a compound, you have to use each individual element times its subscript and the molar mass for that element. If you're in atoms or particles, you need to get to moles, you use Avogadro's number. And if you're in moles and you need to get to moles, the only way you can do it is mole ratio. And remember, you use the mole ratio from the reaction, a complete and balanced chemical reaction. You use the coefficients, which are the big numbers in front of the element or compound. So you have the same thing here. Molar mass, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, that's Avogadro's number. And then 22.4 liters at standard temperature and pressure. All right, that's our mole map. That is on the very top of the interim review. It is the very first thing that we're talking about in class on Friday. It is the very first thing that you'll want to make sure that you know. It'll help you with the stoichiometry. It will help you with being able to do it. And also, once you've got all that, you should have no problem in doing that. And I'm reminding you, complete and balance the reaction. Find the given and the unknown in the problem. Draw the correct railroad tracks for the problem type. If you have a 1 step, it's like that. 2 step, 2 lines. 3 step, is 3 lines. Okay? 1 step is moles to moles. 2 step is moles to grams or grams to moles. 3-step is grams to grams. Put the given in the top left box, put the unknown in the top right box, set up the units to cancel out diagonally, multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, divide the top number by the bottom number. You do these steps every single time, you should get the correct answer. Remember, molar mass from the periodic table, mole ratio from the complete and balanced equation. Follow these steps. You should be able to do okay. All right?